It's Sunday, so Sunday's my video day. So sorry, I was distracted. Anyways, so this week was get the barbecue going. So these are my diffusers. They've been in the elements for 4 or 5 years, and it's windy today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Anyways, so I ordered some stuff off of Amazon. I got my grate. I wasn't able to find the grate size for my CharBroil. So 18 1/4 by 22 1/2. So that was my overall dimensions, and then my individual grates are 6 1/4. Oops. Again, 6 1/4, and then the middle one is 9 1/4. So that's how they work out. So let me do this. I'm a little disorganized. So sorry for the hair today. We're out looking at new homes. Not because of this channel, that's for sure. Anyways, we were out house hunting, which is kind of discouraging. Yeah, I'm gonna qualify for something that's super nice, and everything that we qualify for needs a lot of work. So that's just how it is. Anyways, so this is Sunday, and it's video time. So my barbecue's a couple years old, and it sits outside all year long, and everything inside usually rusts. So this year I went ahead and I purchased new parts. So it's a CharBroil Performance. It's a 4-burner with a 5th burner for cooking pot or something. Anyways, I couldn't find the actual grill to fit this size, but I was able to find one that would allow me to keep one of the old grills right here that wasn't in bad shape and all rusted, and it fits. So I was able to purchase an 18 1/4 grill by, I believe, 18 no, this is 6 1/4. So the whole size is 22. So this is 18 by 15. So this is the grill size for a 3-burner, the 3-burner CharBroil. So wasn't able to find the grill size for the 4-burner CharBroil, but it was 3 pieces, and the 3-burner will replace at least 2 of them. So I was able to keep one of the old ones that wasn't rusted out. So that worked out okay. So I had to do my homework to that. So, and I got everything on Amazon. So the other part, let's go ahead and remove these back out of here. Okay, all the burners come off really easy. As you can see, I put everything in. I purchased the grills. Came in here. This was the brand from Amazon. It didn't give me a whole lot of information. That was it. That's it right there. Oops. That's it. So, there's the email address. It doesn't even give me the size. Just says Uther grill gates, models, whatever. So, anyways, that's how it came. I had to do my homework on Amazon, which took a while to weed through what they sell in the size, get familiar with what I had, and just keep cross-referencing back and forth. And I had a tape measure. So, on these 4 burners, Performance, CharBroil Performance 4 burner. Alright, 3 important things to know when looking for these parts on Amazon. You need a tape measure. You're going to want to measure the burner length. So I had 17 3/4, and the diffuser length, which I believe is from this end to the tips of the ears down here. Those ears. See those ears right there? So that was 16 7/8. Pretty close. 16 7/8. Sorry about the light there. So the diffuser, 16 7/8. The burner was 17 3/4. So, brand, CharBroil, Dynaglow, Weber, whatever your brand is, diffuser length, burner length. And then from that, you can start to educate yourself and find out what you're looking for. So typically, you're going to want to replace the diffuser, the burner, and also the carryover, which is the little channel in between the burners that allow the flame to jump from burner to burner. So hopefully that helps you when searching on Amazon. 18 1/4 inch. That's what the grill size was, and I believe the burner size was 16 7/8. So those are crucial that you get that right. You got to get your size of your burner here will correlate with the size that you find on Amazon. So they'll give the dimension of the length, and you want to match that up. And then you want to make sure that you measure your diffuser here, and it'll also give the length of the diffuser. These ones are a little short by 1/4 inch, but they'll work. Again, the important part is that you get the burner length correct, and they show you how to measure that and what to look for. And also, there's another part that's important, is this here, and I forget what they call that. Anyways, that allows the gas to move from the burner that has the, let me see here, so the burner that has the igniter on it. I'm amazed how fast these rust out. Even though they're cheap, I'm still amazed at how fast they rust out. Anyways, this one had the burner on it, and this removes off the old burner and just sits right on the new one there. And these here allow the propane from the burner that ignites to come over to this one, allow the flame to connect. Let's see, how does that work? So each one of these burners allow propane to move down them. So this channel right here allows the flame to connect to the gas or the propane to the other side to ignite that burner, and so on. And then the channel moves from that one over to this one, and over to this one. And they're able to light off all of these. Some barbecues have an igniter for each one. But here all you need is this one, and if you can light this one, these other ones should light up. So anyways, removing the parts are really easy. The diffuser slides out, and the burner has a carter pin that you remove from out here like that, and then it just lifts up and comes out just like that. Really simple, really simple. Just slides out. The one with the igniter, you need to remove this, which is super easy with a little screwdriver. This whole thing will just pop off, and then once you pop this little diffuser off here, this little piece here, it will slide back onto the new one, as you see that I got. So let me see here, and I'll show you how easy this is. So this old one just slides off like that. See that? See that? Just slides off. And then to put it back on, all you got to do is, it's got a little channel right there. Get it up. Snap it back on. Snaps right on there. And then in here, you can see from underneath, you got to make sure that that new tube slides over that little L there. That allows the gas from here to penetrate into the burner. So watch this. See, it just slides off and it'll slide right over it. Really simple. And then this sits down in between that little slot back there. And these channels just sit on there. These channels just carryovers, or I forget the name, just a carryover. So you grab this burner. Okay, you want to stick it through the hole, and then underneath here you want it to slip. You can see it'll slip over. See that? You want it to slip right over, and then it goes right in like that. Piece of cake. Diffuser. Diffuser sits on a little shelf back here, and there's some slots up here. Little slots it fits in. Okay, same thing. Fits in the little slots. Slide it back onto the shelf. Fits in the slots. Slide it back onto the shelf. Same here. Fits the slots back onto the shelf. Doesn't have to be perfect. Those are just diffusers, so if they don't fit perfect, don't worry about it. So that's how you do that. And then the great little ones slide into the side. Big one to the middle. Little ones the side there. Almost forgot. Got my little carryover here. It's to sit on that one, and it sits down right on top of these little nuts, and those go all the way across. Okay, diffuser goes into these little ears, go into these little slots, like so, and then you want to slide it back onto the shelf, right there. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. And these grates just slide in like that. Pretty simple. Alright, let's turn the gas on. Gas is on. Here we go. We're going to ignite it. Turn it on to light it. There we go. It's lit. Let's see if we can get some carryover. Okay, perfect. That one lit. Let's get that one to light. That one lit. And that one lit. So they're all 4 lit. Wow. That's about how that works. So this is the first time I've bought replacement parts. Again, a new barbecue runs you about, it's going to cost you $300 or more for a cheapie. I got all these parts to fix what I have here for $95. So they're going to rust out again. I don't imagine I'll get probably 2 years out of them, but better than having to buy a new barbecue. And to tear it down, haul it off, it's kind of a pain in the butt. So yeah, this is what we did this year. So it's important to get your burner length and your diffuser length. So pretty simple once you start doing your work on Amazon. Cheaper to do it through Amazon and get parts there than to go through the CharBroil website. Just can be, pretty soon I was going to spend just as much on parts as it was going to be for a new one. So anyways, this is the way to go. I hope that helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.